Welcome students. Last class we studied about sign convention. Okay. In this video we will study about mirror formula and magnification. Okay. Consider a concave mirror, principal axis and pole. Okay. If we place an object here, then the distance from pole to object or object to pole is called object distance. We denote object distance as small letter u. Okay. If the image is formed here, then the distance from this image to pole is called image distance or small letter v. Okay. Sometimes the image will be formed here also, in this side also. If the image is formed here, we take this distance as v. Okay, don't confuse. That is, distance of object from its pole is called object distance, denoted as small letter u. Okay, distance between object and pole is called object distance. Next point, distance of image from pole is called image distance v, small letter v. Okay, that is, distance between pole and image is called image distance v. Okay, then there is an equation for focal length, or general equation for focal length is general equation for focal length is 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, this is the general equation. We have to put negative sign for the given situations. Okay, here u is negative. Okay, here v is negative. But in this case v is positive because image is formed at the other side of the image. Okay, here v is negative. If this is the case, v is in this case v is positive, in this case v is negative. Okay, so we have to substitute negative sign for the given situation. Okay, given question. Next heading, magnification. Magnification denoted by small letter m. Magnification means how long the image size with respect to the object size. Okay, that is m equal to height of the image by height of the object. Height of the image by height of the object. If you take height of the object as h, small letter h, and height of the image as h dash, okay, this height as h and this height as h dash, then equation will be height of the image equal to h dash by h. Okay, that is m equal to h dash by h. There is another equation for magnification, that is m equal to v by u. That means distance of image from pole by distance of object from pole. Okay, also these two equations are general. Okay, we have to substitute negative or positive for each situations. Okay, for virtual image magnification is positive. Okay, by substituting the negative signs or positive signs for these values. Okay, and for real image m is negative. Okay, thank you.